In this tutorial, we are going to dive deeper into the concept of labs. Atmosphere allows grouping all resources, such as ATMs, cards, or even test cases, into separate labs to which only certain users have access. To create a new lab, we use the Create button. Optionally, we can copy the data and resources from another lab, so that we don't have to recreate, for example, our @merge cards and ATC tests. Instead, we copy all the cards and tests from those other labs. The second tab we see is ATMs. In this tab, we see all the ATMs installed in Atmosphere, and which lab each one belongs to. We could change which lab an ATM belongs to by clicking on this drop-down. The third tab is Users. For each Atmosphere user, we define whether they are a lab manager and which labs they belong to. To make bulk edits on the same lab, we use the Configure Lab button. We can select which labs we want to work on, and we'll be shown this quick access view, so it's very convenient to move users from one lab to another. Finally, we have the Logs option, where we can see all the changes that have been made to labs, users, and ATMs.